This video shout out goes to 𝐴𝐻𝐻𝐵𝓵 and that's Ellie for you for commenting, "Oh, I see a hooligan" on my last post. Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I'm going to be hopping on the popular trend of tier ranking lists. I'm sure you've seen a video like this before, so basically today I'm going to be ranking American Girls 2021 Girl of the Year, 𝔸𝓫 and her collection. So without further ado, let's just hop into the video. Okay, so the first item we have is the animal exam table, and I think this is kind of cute. I like how it includes all those really cute little accessories. I think all those little details makes it really fun, and I love the old style like block computer. I think that's really cute, but I think they could have done better on the paint job and like could have added some more like texture instead of just all plastic. Like looks all like matte plastic, like not really any differences in it, but it's really cute. But I don't really think I would use this anywhere, you know what I mean? Like I don't know how I would use it, so I'm gonna put it in the really cute tier. Boop. Our second item is the comfy camping accessories, and I think this is super cute. I love the little fold-up chairs and the little table. This would like look so cute in any 18-inch sized room. I love the little pillows and the rug. I think the rug makes it. Like I love little detailed rugs. Now I'm not sure if that's printed or just like actually embroidered. Probably not, but it's still really cute. And the little food that it comes with is cute. So I would definitely buy this if I had the money. So we're just gonna slap that. Oops. Slap that up there. Beautiful. Okay, our third item is the comfy platform tent. Now, I think this is cute, but it looks like a complete replica of the Camp Hangout set. I'll put a picture of it right here that AG also made. Like, they literally just switched up the colors. Like, it literally looks the same. It's a platform. It has the little house shape. It has like 3 stairs going up. It looks the same. That's what I think. But let me know that this is just my opinion. Don't come at me. I think it's cute, like the little flower hanging thing on the wall. I mean, the bed doesn't look very comfortable. I think they could have added like a headboard and a footboard, and the Polaroid photos are cute. The little table's cute and all, but I don't know, I just feel like they could have done something a bit different with it, if you know what I mean. So I probably would have put it higher, but I'm gonna put it in the meh, just meh. That's just my opinion though. Let me know your opinions in the comments. Please be nice with them though. Next we have the 𝔸𝓫 accessories, and I think these are really cute. Like I just love the little backpack and the little keychain that's AG size. Like that is beautiful. I think the hat's cute, but it looks a little simple. The main thing I like is the backpack and all the working pockets, so I'm gonna put this in the really cute tier. Next, we've got 𝔸𝓫 herself. So she also comes with a little book, Down Under, 𝔸𝓫 Down Under, and I think she's okay. Like, I know this is her collection, but I just don't think they needed to do another blonde. They could have done a doll of color, and I just think she's kind of basic. Like, they didn't even give us a new face mold. Yes, her outfit is cute. I definitely like the bottoms she's wearing and the boots. The shirt is kind of basic for me. I think she's okay, even though this is her collection. I'm gonna put her in, did they really need this? Because, like, I think they could have done more diverse, something more diverse, so yeah. Now we have 𝔸𝓫's casual outfit. I think this is so cute. The main thing that I like is the headband. Like you can't see it very well in the photo here, but I think the headband is absolutely adorable. Like it could work so cute on everything. It's so colorful. I like the shoes and the little skirt. I like the aesthetic of it, okay? I know, it's kind of plain like at first, but I kind of like it. So I'm gonna put it in the I'd buy it if I had money. Ah, wrong tier. There we go. We did it. Whew. Next, we have 𝔸𝓫's comfy camping outfit, and again, I love the headband. I think the headband is really cute. I like how they gave her the headbands. I think the little jumpsuit is super cute, and the yellow is just adorable. I'm gonna put this in the I'd buy it if I had money as well, because it's just really cute. So we're just gonna slap that up there. Okay, so now we have 𝔸𝓫's kangaroo and Joey. Now, I'm not sure if this is like the same size as the AG. Hold on, I'm just gonna look this up. Hold on. I wanna know if this is the same size or taller than 𝔸𝓫. Okay, I found it. The kangaroo, it literally only goes up to her waist. Like, that is so lame. Like, they could have at least made it life size. Like,
a normal adult kangaroo is way taller than the average human, and she's like a 4th grader, so that's really tiny, and that's kind of lame for $30. I'm sorry, like, it's cute, I know, but for $30, and it's not even the height of 𝔸𝓫 or taller.
Alright, I'll stop. I'm just gonna put it in the what a fail, boo, because like that's kind of lame, okay? I'm sorry, please don't hate me. Oh, and the microphone is down here. Whoops, hopefully you could hear me. I probably had to turn up the sound. I'm sorry, editing Naomi. And yes, my name is Naomi. I already revealed it, so I don't have to worry about spilling that anymore. So now we have Kira's outdoor accessories. I think these are so cute. I love the sunglasses. They're so cute. They're so posh, if I'd say that. I think this outfit, the different layers and all that is so adorable. I really like it. So I'm gonna head and put this in the really cute section. You know what? I'm gonna put it in the I'd buy it. I know I'm being a little generous, but you know, we're gonna put it in the I'd buy it section. We have the little koala. I know a lot of people like this, but you know, it's not that cute. Really, it's not that cute. I'm just gonna, it's okay, you know, but like, wait, how much even is this thing? I need to find out. Hold on, let's just go ahead and find out. $25, and it's back ordered, so that means people like it, but they really paid $25 for that puny little thing. Like, where are you pulling this money from? Out of your ears? Like, no, we just gotta, I'm gonna put it in the did they really need this? Cause you know, all right. Second to last, we have Kira's koala PJs. I think, okay, I know my friend, her name is AJ Ovation. She loves the pajamas. Yes, they're okay. I don't really like them. I know, okay, they're okay, I know, please don't come at me, this is just my opinion. I wouldn't buy them. I don't really think they're that cute. They're kind of simple. I mean, the socks are cute, but you know, I just don't really like it. I'm gonna put it in the boo, what a fail, I'm sorry, but we're just gonna have to do it. Last but not least, we have the wildlife rescue set. So I think this is super adorable. I love the little cage and like the little wagon that looks super realistic, and then the like baby koala. Wait, what is that? Is that a wombat or something? I don't know. Anyways, and the little binoculars. Yeah, that's really cute. I feel like that walkie-talkie is kind of random, but you know, whatever. I mean, I think it's cute, but like I said with the other thing, like the first item, it doesn't have much texture. Like all the plastic looks the same. Like this might be just me from the photo, but like the little metal handle, it's just gray. Like I think they could have made it more like metallic, you know? I don't know. I'm being really picky, I'm sorry. But I'm just gonna put this little last thing in the I'm gonna put it in the ℚ. Yeah, we're gonna put it there. Alright, amazing, cool, we're done. Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and these are just my opinions. You can totally have your own opinions. I just thought I would just, you know, make a video like this because why not? I just want to hop on the trend, you know, I just want to be relatable. Anyway, yeah, please comment down below what you think about her collection. They're totally yours, but just please say it nicely. Also, if you watched this far and you watched all the way through, please comment down below the hidden message that I hid somewhere in this video, and you might get a shout out in my next post. So anyways, that is all. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, because I love talking to you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Wait, that was really scary. Jeez. Okay, no, bye. There we go. Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share this channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.